Some seasons don't arrive with clear signs. No big moments, no loud changes. Just quiet growth happening where nobody else can see. Pressure builds, questions come. And somewhere in the middle of it all, strength gets formed in ways that don't show on the surface. Learning when to push forward and when to slow down long enough to appreciate what's already here. The routines that keep life grounded, the people who make heavy days lighter. The moments that remind you why the grind matters in the first place. Not everything unfolds according to the plan. But somehow, things still fall into place the way they're meant to. Doors open, path shifts, and clarity shows up right on time. Through it all, God stays ready. Providing peace in the middle of uncertainty and direction when the road feels a little unclear. And sometimes the biggest wins are simply found in being present, staying grateful, and trusting that every step forward is shaping something greater ahead.